dust came from the nose and hear the tractor's steady roll. Ah, you can't stop now, there's a quarter section more or less to go. And it figures that the rain takes its own sweet time. You can watch it come for miles, and you guess you've got a while, so even chuckle loud ahead. Every rod's a gain and a victory in every quarter mile. Poor old Coonsey down the road, the heartache playing hopper scattered down, gave it up and moved to town. Lemon Pierce the other day took a heart attack and died at 42. You can feel it coming on, 'cause he's worked as hard as you. In an hour, maybe more, you'll be wet, clean through. The air is cooler now, where you can bring brother down and watch the field behind the town. Turn the straight, dark road, put another season's promise in the ground. And if the harvest's any good, the money just might cover all alone. If mortgage all you own, buy the kids a winter coat, take the white babies for Christmas if you can. All the summer she stayed on when you're so tied to your land. For the good times come and go, but at least it's rain, and it won't be very brown when September rolls around. So watch the field behind the town, turn the straight down road, put another season's promise in the ground. Watch the field behind the town, turn the straight down road, put another season. Dankeschön.